Good morning, everyone. We are all aware of the website Facebook. But do you know that Facebook has ranked the most used social network? Here is our interview to an active user of this website. Sir, are you an active user of Facebook?
Of course.
Mga ilang oras po kayo gumagamit ng internet?
Siguro mga 5 hours a day.
5 hours a
Puro
day.
Facebook lang yun, ha?
Ano po bang magagawa natin sa Facebook?
Bukod sa we're making friends, di ba? Nakakapaglaro din tayo ng mga different games tulad ng Farmville, Restaurant City, at iba pa. Ang cool nga di ba?
So, can you imagine life without Facebook?
Parang hindi, nakaka-addict kasi.
Facebook is a social networking site owned by Facebook Incorporated. It is the trend of people not only here in the Philippines but also in the whole world. Facebook is like Friendster where users can add friends and send them messages and update their personal profiles to notify their friends. Without Facebook, the internet would be so boring. Once again, this is Regine Alacapa for the E! News.